I want to focus on one particular prophecy that has been hidden in plain sight in Old Testament scripture for nearly 1500 years before Jesus was born. This message is found in a rather peculiar section of the first book of the Bible, Genesis. In Genesis chapter 5, it begins with, "This is the written account of Adam's family line." The following text brings us through the family tree from Adam to Noah. When we line up the entire genealogy of names and their meanings, something interesting arises. We start to see a message appear. Man, appointed, mortal sorrow, the blessed God, shall come down, teaching, his death shall bring the despairing rest or comfort. If we simply add a couple of conjunctions to complete the phrase, we get, man is appointed mortal sorrow, but the blessed God shall come down teaching that his death shall bring the despairing rest or comfort. Here we have the gospel message, God's plan for redemption, written 1500 years before Christ. There's simply no other explanation for this beautiful discovery other than that the Bible was not written by man alone.